keba kacha anin keba kama
baraka bake fele murunta ko tanke programme do keba kacha ale wonno jibe ninga mfalli minke bi mfele nata meyo ya mimuno Gambia la meyo de KMC ata molti mi yalan ko to manu ko politiko kono ay kujamala ke Gambia saka APRC party bi nata ala suyo kono ala kordato pour na kacha soto ngali ni ka kuma kamal do la min yalan ko wolle be foka Gambia kono saka APRC ani politiko fanna iko kumo kadi ya kumo tiyo fangala da kono wala nan nata fojang pour na kacha soto meyo ka foy ko do ya baraka bake wato minta pour yang invadi la suyo kono
alhamdulillah
menyini kala même folo la ni kontondro ke wala be kala comme APRC party sang alto ba kunti yakam ninko what's next wala nga APRC party sang kabral tala tola fal natna salbe mun ko sa
alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim folo la fami folo wala yindi ko togning amamba folo ma kono le nga bolon kono le ke sa pour nga nana kombo labang problème on a na soto siloka so wala sabu police wol bine pamito di ilata na political activist wol be arrêté so wala tina dol fanal be siring ko wala batu but sa ya lift le ya wuli le ko danke sa anytime from now ben date sol announce pour katana to labang
okay
inshallah
okay mun ka ko ya ko de fal mal to labang no fo so dama nim fo no mo lewo mun ka problem
of course problem ke mo ken muti moy Gambia kono na mol tare peacefully la tuna pamito tale police Gambia bi ya kam tel ko kata to la andon tol na to kono ngami fulo itani wolo yenti min de nol kacatale na mol kaca na entourage be ni kacatale ngam foy wolo nyinde ko tol mala fi setan ka dul manke setan patiti it's a very peaceful and disciplined party so yamuta na molere andi na diam ko moyle kablim bota janta bara la be ma fon ko seta basse bota nam basse lu mo mena be wala basse kanana ngami tino so la dolto fudata president oya manka mankunda yeng attaque woto
manka mankunda
yenna mol dol baramaje mol saba l'hôpital bare won kluwonin tenko kamma na mol yamar ko no reaction ba ko tala le ba dila masala sa kundala pour ya to poto la report police kundal to pour ya jibe min kelaje wala wokono natana mien bi sola ndije wala nyite natana message shot from the president's office ka kota ka bay ko fenno mi yalo ka manyana kela ko mi mo be mu gambe do mo boy free tale pour katama banko kan anyanta nyami duwa kan woy na mol di so fa ay na mol ko no fa katu wolu wala fon to na mol kabri kidinje abaramata very serious fois am kadiamu no aketota ko si abusa martola aketota la las ya abusa martola ko be muso dol lipani kodala you know wol be ketale so bare kabri diamu te na understand ko na tamu manke wote
okay
dolbe kayra tamole kando laftale pour nga ko fa kayra kono wokono nata fo fudata busumala mi fusala busumala fanan nga anoda attaque soto busumbala wala kita signa fula nyawti lo ni mi na on the 28 rally fanam moy wala fanan na moli attaque gele
28 wakadam do
28 rally nga minke bu bazono to
o fanan attaque gele
o fanan busumbala ye attaque na mol attaque gele ñin dom fanan alla journalist wol fongo ya sa fele 2 days before to be fotala fa
ça fait ko askene ba attaque
Amor Wali ça fait ko asakentende akoy ben attaque la be pare kan pour kan attaque ci local o be ça fait tale andi police wol inform about it police wol suta ndefe ñanta silal tal no miadne se ko ñing ta ya ke ya prevent pour kana soto o man nake ntol dol man tol be tole kono man fen kala mota woto but natale fo silo kan na molen report o Kenya nan ko ata dulla most of the national executive committee members will be tandita ina nan inform ko yena mol attack le ko tanki silo kan so natana moto convoy stop pour ka nga police will call ka itandila ko nyina be kere ando video bi jele ni ya itandi ko kabrabe kela police will be jele and ya jele mol ni la famol ni la morbal Busumbala, yes. That means they were well prepared for us.
Okay.
Okitale andung poli natanaki anatanaki problemoti. Police will natana announce ko in safe ya formole ko political fonko toll beta ya cancel ya suspend for the meantime for jani mobe ku bonde la nyoto.
Sa kabri ya ban lift wala kabri ya tolo nyimba ya bonde comme nga political rally manya na ka ane programme sa min aliye police approach ko de comme Allah ta continue la albi ki kan.
Of course, but fonko sa fe kan right now the permit because atata to the kabringa information no soto they wrote to us ko ya lift le. So we are prepared right now porque inform ko we are prepared to go on tour again. Okay. We prepare but in it nga mwele fana ko kodado in Brikama na attack.
Barokunda.
Obuja alcohol the haramadi obe on police la fabrication alti. Why I said so is andiko keba koto ngole attaque. Je EPRC ngana to commencer ba Gambia be man korda attaque. Man korda ma flagol be tulal beto you dibinka flag other flags wol bebe silo kan sula baka nyam wol bebe wol kan nga tambi satele ka fumbe ko barokunda sate mu me ka hodame ko barokunda nga tambi manka mankunda dawan ko president fo bota woltu nga tambi bansanna dami yalon ko nga jigi ko UDP la leader bota woltu nga tambi wol bela tous manke nga rule wonyama fo nga futa Brikama nga tambi Brikama sate kono bela foy ko korda ya dami safi ko ya safi ji baro kunda ndol ma karam tade police sol len kalamuta ndi wala no minen tata je dum mena yen bayan data je wolni nga kalamuta e ko police sol ko mo dole fana ye report ko laale je ka fa dawe baro kunda na moli o jele baro kunda be jita ye keba koto le lipaji ko keba koto
ngolo mo
e ko keba koto because nga o mira that wo you sol be temwo minto wol man ko keba koto to buno harma dum ke mira dron ka fen fabricate ka fen mira ka fo Gambia nyende tambela wala nyente mbola ke mira ka sidon ka sila bunko don ke mira ko mbato don pour se fenne fono min sad na kariño le toro because man la fala to nyende tam biti don nyende tam ko bele boda bakilim fakili anum fanam fan fo baro mini be ko don baro di be mu UDP le te o coalition no on den to jati ndoliya bol bi jel mi ko don baro leti kibe APRC le nga mol sudo mi yalon ko yabe manka kundale andu mu APRC dungol leti nga mol sudo le mi yalon ko Brikama bije i manke ikondon baro kondon be mu clineti and wol mu APRC leti ni laftan sol mol bol kilita ni lo Gambia be la yeje so that's not the point. So ite balon na nyaari lebi move ka ite you are traveling guy ite be move ka ite bitama kanne ini la kiwo ni la kontano fentem foye kontano min so na bolon kono ye min fo moleje yaaje ko mon man ne la moy walla ini wo kontano binaka kontano be minna wo ka fitino bondi andu EPRC manke fitina patiti so aketa wala nyama nganata moy wolde ko kita so wo mo ku kaw kari mbalti
that's fine. Idi am da kibar katolo bi ngaje kibar katolo ga ko meyo ko di Yaya Jammeh I know do not kill nga Yaya Jammeh min long abuka farke abuka mo ki prata mo fa
yalla tol jonali so ni mo diam do alkatala aliya asupa jalang adiata le nyama
man ka jonali sol bet
no asake no ba fo no rawle nyama I can say that because ngam info mo yende nyini ka wala ko ndenga mo min long nte ma long wala asake no ayke
ay ta malo wala
malon wala because ntena la tarobe nene man si dulatu dami yalon ko nga fen kacha mi yalon ko atata mi yalon ko be hadama dum batandela ntena te so ngula nan ko nga min long ato ko la ko nga min long ato anu ay min yitandintela kuno nyindate hani duntuma long ata fanola ay mi yitandintela ko la fo de
ya jam
ami yitandintela anu nga ray soto to ko fo because nte fanan at least nga suti an dum min kyala nak fanan ka kacale nden nan nena man na man security ko kacha o man ket na do menti na tema fe mu ñaato tati on kala fle pour ka pousa kam pour ayake
okay
ndeka pare pour ay okay bare pour ka foko a hena jena ko mi ay mole fa ay mole ki prada mol fa ay ñille ke ay ñu suñarol ke de tolon na I will never do that so wala nan ko ngabi ndede nga yaaja me min lo ndenga ngalo nyami ndenga lo nyami
amanke mo fa
nte fe maaje ay mo fa nte ma foko mo man fa bulu de ko nde yaaja me de maaje halinte mo semi witness to ka ko ha officially it has been done it was not yaaja me it was the law ko mo ko don tol min fata
wom luwat
yaaja me ma wol sentence to death yalla bol kanyina wala de yaaja me ma wol sentence to death wol luwale wol sentence to death
nyanda fala
iko luwale ko nyanda fala de tol ma fo de yaaja me ma fo itole kay ko anyanda fala luwa ko anyanda fala le saya reservable pour ya sign prior ke ko to sa sign no so it's the law wo mu luwal so any other thing will last latakan malong I cannot witness that because nene man involved in any security issue during his era
kibarol fintita kibar kaytol fintita saka kabrata ka fo ko rosi señor daba marena ñol mol bi jël min yalla ke e to fo deda haydara ñol ndur cham ñol ibe tol fintita andi ko I fatale andu ya jamet bulo bi jela bulo man sene
as possible as keno badete fenno woto dete wollo nola yenan tawollo nola te am civilian yes I mean na man sakundale be in government but more than the cooking remember ko the executive and in the politicians fatatale
okay
nte ko cabinet meeting attend bon kadi APRC la national executive meeting no yin attend baw junin kam yaajama bijang through the ranks of the APRC I'm number 4
the ranks okay
through the ranks of the APRC yaajame the vice president you have our general secretary and you have me as the national mobilizer general so nte marli minna more in my role as the political mobilizer is I'm the chief field operator nte ka political tamandi duma nte kata molia he convinced to join the APRC nte ka program so organized for us to have a program dulani dulalto nte ka mol encourage pour kaje komi ya make so komi APRC balondi la tundol kan nte ni structure sol ka doko ke baki ngolo njelde apart from that government masa kundala ya jamela mo appoint to be minister na haji tije ala mo bayo na haji tije ala government ala aba tawandi la nyami na haji tije omo ala anatility anala minister sol because even anala minister sol nali e cross oppositional bijele
ala minister sol
yes of course I oppositional appoint like a ministers what's totally
okay
so we have nothing to do with the APRC
party popular no baake adarajata
anu bile fala be dajali
landslide alkawla soto
bi fonsa soto nole
December 4th election min keta 2016 IEC nada fo alman gagné mu nek problème
you see iko fa jibo nolon do mota ko nola ndol fonka miracle that's the reason why they refuse us to go to the courts
alwintal
nko ntol fe that's the reason why they refuse us to go to the courts.
Do they refuse you to go to the courts?
They refuse us to go to the courts. Both the international community and in the rest, they don't want us to go to the courts. You know why?
What
because look at it. For the first time in the history of this country, election results are announced twice. Let us not look at, let us take Yaya Jammeh out of it. Let us see ourselves as Gambians. Ngam fanjiwe fo ntol kilo clean ningo kitan tol kilo clean na fo anything like that soto no la sondo miro to kotenki. Killing. Ye election results only announced. Iko ye APRC dang over 50,000 votes there. Yes, if for another 5 days senana. For president ye mi ikonomi winter I congratulate. For ala programme au start pour ka fala mole ko sayi ni ñu mol tombo ñu leen mol tombo pour yesi ya djubé hein ya djubé sayi smooth transition be kala nyaade for the handing over 5 days later ya announce ko tenke ko hani de mistake the result sol tole instead komi ya dang 51,000 votes plus la sa ya dang 19 votes la 19,000 votes loolu la sa yàlla dan na yàlla 19,000 votes la ni hakkil ma mooti ni moom hakkil maate of course sal na ko mose hakkil fisiro soto ngo saay
wala balan
amam balan for this year ako yes sa ako afana he did not trust the results and now it's our constitution ko ni wakira ni man la you can appeal to the courts
but ramal ta dun court la already.
No. We did not go to the court.
You could judge all the months.
You see, long call for it. Say, Naro coming. You see, yalo more beat like after wrong. Ya Jammeh. They'll talk about the impasse and they'll say ya Jammeh. They talk about the impasse. But more ni nazale ko ni ya Jammeh manta kelo le kela.
Na manta
ha kelo le kela. Anu kelo kela jmale be fala.
Gameno.
Ya Jammeh sa fano le. Pour mo jele fala Gambian innocent Gambian jele be fala
wala sonde fighter
of course he loved this country alafta nyim banko la le alafta Gambian wala le alafta Gambia bu gatela agenda mu Gambian tani Gambians I know about that no long asute atol so bebi na wala yalo mo beke mi la wala so bare nyim luwa nyim wol dojo tol mi yela nyim pour sol be amas to come and attack us because civilian le bita fala so that is escape route so be borla dami don tenite tolle malo meta mbesle be ko don me kala finkinte meta la dami don tolle to non ten tolle be fala because so darul wol yalon ne ibe ila option bi mo minti ni yalon koy man soksine tolle option bi so tolle bon tol mo wolo ndol ninki do se bennole ninke so se bennole ninku jama se bennole right tol mo wolo but say nar ko be tolwo the international community ko tol lafta non gambele mako ila no no ne to jojol na filana because wo jojole kam info abo Sierra Leone non Nigeria ibota wol okay ha troops sol mini na ibota mun dole Nigeria lom Senegal ani ikani ko Nigeria ni Senegal le foko ba so nar ko mi wolom pour yow mol ni commandie nana ye kilo ke ni gambenol fa ani ye jojo solta ye pigna ye miniforo ye nyikana ye na ya jojo bitin 9 days ko wolbe mu fonda hani kabi you can dictate those people ya ko ya Jammeh toñalo ni election is free and fair di wala sone ya because science malum fo nyi equals ko fonke jole hani kabi kon to leke joba fo oda for the international community
mfana bure ko dunyo mfana bure ko
nani na bure ko then that means we are wasting for nothing. It's a wastage for nothing.
But commission auto mol diam to ji ko di cool for ji ka for lot of millions of dollars mi yalanko iko ya Jammeh ya mismanage la comme ama dundi anata dum ita mo molti mi yalanko nekete ya Jammeh bala baki wala fo ko mo soto comme amman ko do fana manage no kuke ay Gambia la ko do tinyal
tela la wala for ne ya proof ya non science diam aussi the commission is just inquiry. I don't want to talk more about the commission because I'm invited and I'm invited to the commission. So that means you understand? But what I am saying here is near proof to the Gambian people. Inquiry because hani kabi is not coming tonyalo amon lo follow coming tonyalo let people don't see it coming right now te mimbe ke kan coming so tonyalo allegation slum to say ko ndede nyin ko nangam anu minute fo be kafu ala jube be kafu ko ndara ya jamele anga ko nyin tanga hanu baya ikata parti le fo ko wole adiyala jamaa bebe kono some of the millions kabe ko ndede malonde ka ko emea tax can take millions of dollars from the coffers of the state emea tax wose o tano jele emea telephone call from another person can just take out millions of dollars haram ndol be mo hakil mali do al nga jube be sa jube hakil ma ko ba lafta min folo wala ñinti amanke fenti mi yalon ko right now tay coming yeah establish le ko it is all you know the truth coming abe mu toñalte at this point in time because it's allegations ni tol pareta yela inquiry bank they have to write a report ka fu kon na ñim finance de nga ñine jeje weda ya jame toñala is faulty or atelier adum or atemadum then up till then no one can accuse to say coming aya soñal ko ma fan defend for
alni ya jame ka diam kan
no
bari altol ni ya jame nakete ñom mala ba mna dal ko diam
no he's on exams
but telephone bi jela sa ñoo call
no we don't have anything to do with him at this point in time because he mean follow so we'll leave him to live in peace. We live at peace.
Kabi kabo me yala was this emotional for balo fatal ba kabi kabo je kanda ikalla mandate bantale albota jela sai interim la bije man fo kabi kabo akete bala nyani
you see the case is different from others nti mambay nti nga declare this it's my second term nti nga declare ko me dana 2 terms be da ya jamesia or not I said that I said it and more say inquiry came about it what to mean the use of this municipality being endorsed to be there to do my second term at the monument mol bijele camera solia tale it is there and I declared this the last time I'm going to run as mayor. I don't want to do my whole life as mayor.
Okay.
So when I was leaving, of course Nini Molimbe Dokola for more than from 2002. I started with KMC from 2002 as a councillor. Rise to ko fonke da mayor ti. Fonga ba function term complete, nga wandi term complete. Nga mun ko renje nga na 2 terms beke nga bang. Of course new mol delta bakle it will look emotional of course. Not otherwise because after ni wanting belola and na ko mo dem ba friend belola and lo tam win lan nga wolone oh yes nobody can stop Yankuba in this municipality nobody
on the APRC
nobody can stop Yankuba Koli in this municipality billahi wallahi tallahi nga ñim foy
so you want to give chance to others
I said that from the beginning then I don't even think I said I don't want to go more than 2 times.
So this mayoral thing, APRC below even more on the
of course, Balondela.
Okay, but I'm
not
Jumal.
Ani Davre, don't politician already. We are politicians. And Nanole. Don't make it tuneti. You understand? Don't make it tuneti.
I understand.
So wole barandi, wala ne even attack council kan. You understand? Where they than they think coming to we live in fear. No. It will be our own to be banku dingolti.
Last year around this time, near Kilobaka ning halifa interviews or near interviews or Dimaso Paradise FM. Ulumole Paradise FM sorong. Mojama ko man la fortly NIL in police or call.
I don't involve myself into those things. I'm a very civilized politician.
You don't do that?
I don't believe in those things. I don't believe in those. Why do I take interviews with journalists? From the time I'm in office, I'm not a command officer. I take a journalist so young command anytime. I left on Solar anytime. I sit with them. I talk with them. For what's the reason? So I said even if you go, you scandal me. You said you write something that is not true about me. You put it on the papers. Gambia, I will do now. We can headline it. So that will clear it and they go. They ballot while they have it. Ba nintu ngoje dro mo jamale ba sanna yalo mo dol bi yese ko je mo newspaper to mo ta sama man ta sapukande but no duwa jabolti nim bodo woro ni okay you are popularizing me because even ko dundi la cordal bele kono foy ko yakko le suñaro le keba bay yakko natalo bi even ko dundi la cordal bele that's a propaganda for me ngana mbe jabi la ko yemi photo nyande ndema ministre nge challenge ko iko nge challenge ibe fananta be bakira headline leti nkun kilongo be wala kelaje ngo kun kilongo bita cordal bele to that's propaganda of you. Why should I run away from the journalists? The reason, Kabir didn't interview. I was happy. I was very happy. You can see the way I was talking. I was very happy.
That's very nice. We were close.
I don't know what makes you close. I really don't know. I really don't know because that was regretted. But I don't even know. I don't know why it should be close because something a very nice interview, and I was very happy. Your points will be made with your critical points. I have answered you the way I want. And I know I'm answering the form content and answering community. So I was very happy.
Okay.
So
barka bake kewa kacha yankuba calling at lesoto bi kachal dol mina miyan ko nimmo jama be kala kala ka je ka temto wato min ta ko den ke pour ay invite la suko no pour na kacha ni soto barka bake.
Thank you.
Okay.
Keba kacha anin keba kama